Good morning, loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelique if you are new here, and today is going to be the first day I'm ever doing a clean with me. In fact, it's going to be a little bit special. It's going to be my holiday clean with me special. It's not really that special except for the fact that we have guests coming into town. Sawyer's mom arrives tomorrow, and our house is really dirty from decorating, from living by the beach, from having all the windows open. I need to mop, I need to clean the kitchen, I need to dust, I need to do everything. So I thought it'd be fun to do a clean with me. I've never done one before. So this one's going to be a little bit of everything. I will do like more in-depth ones and like more organizing videos. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and clean for the holidays because this house needs it and I can't stand it anymore. Cheers. All right, so we're going to start in the bedroom. We're going to go ahead and strip the bed so that way the sheets can be washing and drying while we're cleaning the rest of the house. So, yep, gotta love Sundays. Okay, now that the sheets are washing, I'm going to start in the kitchen. I like to get the kitchen cleaned first and then move on to the rest of the house. So we're gonna start by putting away stuff. As you can see, I have like my workstation here. I have all the dishes from yesterday. So let's just go ahead and start by cleaning up the mess. So I just kind of finished putting away the kitchen. I have a few dishes here, so I'm just going to quickly wash them. I personally like hand washing my dishes unless we have like a bunch of people over or I cook a huge meal. Then I'll use the dishwasher. But just for small stuff, I just hand wash. And I really like this little drying rack. My mom bought it for me. It rolls up so I can put it away or I can keep it on the sink. But I like that it's not sitting on the counter all the time. See this area right here? I call this the Sawyer Hartman area. He sometimes leaves little things around the house, like batteries, lenses, random stuff. So I always put it in this area because he literally has to pass by it to go to his office. So his pile is accumulated, so let's go ahead and bring this to his office. So that area is now clean, but I did find more dishes in Sawyer's office. So let's go ahead and finish, and I did forget a few other dirty items. So one of my most dreaded things is cleaning the stove. I don't know why, it just drives me nuts. I have been using this Greased Lightning. It's a cleaner and degreaser. I don't love it. So if you guys have a recommendation for cleaning a stove, please let me know what product you use. I just feel like there's something that could get it off easier, but let me know. Much better. All right, so I just put the dishes away. Now, something that I do once a week is bleach the sink. We do have a white, like farmhouse sink. I don't know what material this is, but it holds on to everything. Tomato sauce, red wine, coffee, random stuff. So I do have to bleach it. Now, I know some people may be opposed to using like bleach. I totally get it. If anybody else has a different recommendation as to what can help get things off of the sink, I do use a magic eraser and that works for like the scuffs, but not really the stains. So let me know down in the comments because I am all ears, trust me. So while this sits, we're going to clean the counters. I like using Windex with vinegar, especially here in Hawaii. Anything with vinegar helps with like salt. It helps like dry it out a little bit more. So I notice a big difference when I use the with vinegar version on the counters. They just look cleaner to me, less streaks. So yeah, let's clean the counters.
I cooked breakfast, cleaning round 2.
I just finished, you guys, time for breakfast. Okay, so the kitchen is the cleanest it's been in probably about 3 weeks. Oops. Anyways, the kitchen is done, so we will move on to dusting next. Alright, so something I always do is dust and like fluff the couch before I vacuum. So that way all the dust falls to the ground, and that way when I vacuum and mop, it all gets picked up, and then yeah, just makes the most sense to me. So right now we are going to fluff the couch and clean off the coffee table. So I just vacuumed the living room. Now since today is a little bit deeper of a clean, so I want to dust underneath the couch. So I'm just gonna use this microfiber like mop sweeper, Swiffer-esque thing and go underneath the TV stand as well as the couch. The sheets are done, so let's go ahead and make the master bed. There is absolutely nothing I love more than clean sheets on a Sunday. Honestly, a clean house on a Sunday. Like, I just feel ready for the week. Kind of sounds cheesy, but it's true. Love a good clean house, love a good clean sheet. So, let's make this bed. Very satisfying to make the bed. So the last step is mopping. There's a few other things I gotta do, like clean mirrors and clean the bathroom, but that's no fun to watch, at least. Maybe I'll do it in like a deep cleaning video, but we'll play that by ear. Anyways, for this video, we are going to mop. Super exciting. I like to use Fabuloso as my main mop cleaner, and then I always add in white vinegar. A cleaning lady here taught me that. She said anything with vinegar helps with the salt, like I mentioned with the Windex. Definitely makes the floors feel more dry. Otherwise, it can kind of feel sticky because of the salt air. And then my mop that I use, I freaking love this. It's by, oh wow. It's by O Cedar, and it's an adjustable mop, and it comes with a bucket. And the bucket's really cool because you put the mop in here, and then it has like a little strainer, almost like a salad strainer, you know what I'm talking about? And then you hit this little pedal, and it wrings it out for you. So yeah, I got this mop. We had it at our old apartment, but when we moved here, they had it at Costco, and it was a great deal, and it came with like a lot of replacement mop heads, if you will. So yeah, that's the mop I use. So let's go ahead and mop. So I was halfway through mopping, and somebody decided they wanted a coffee, so we had to fan off the area.
Oh, it's so cold.
Well, well, loves, there you have it. That was my holiday clean with me. This is the first clean with me I've ever done. So if you guys have any tips and tricks, anything you guys would like to see, let me know down in the comments below. I definitely want to do some organizing ones, and then definitely like some more detailed cleaning. So those will be coming as well, but let me know what you guys want to see. I'm really excited to be doing this as well because, yeah, it kind of goes hand in hand with home decor. So yeah, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see. Go ahead and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!